6, 7, 8, 9.
Come on! Go, you guys! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on!
A massive bridge is currently under construction in China. Watching them work feels like watching a band perform live.
I can barely handle one hoop, and she's spinning 7 like it's effortless. No question, if heights make your knees weak, this job is not for you. If the ground had feelings, it would beg for mercy after just 5 seconds under this beast. They're literally channeling ancient pyramid building methods into modern work.
It's like watching it paint. The mower transforms every patch into a perfect green velvet.
Be real. What boss wouldn't dream of leading a team this sharp? Rewind that clip and count how many bricks he smashed. I bet you'll say wow again. Responsible builders always complete their work very thoroughly. These unsung heroes will always have my utmost respect. Modern machinery is a total game changer, making farming faster and easier. The glaze isn't just for beauty, it shields the ceramic from water and the test of time. I have to say, I truly admire the person who designed this incredible cabinet. A true craftsman never rushes. He knows perfection is born from steady hands and sharp focus. If I were a goalie, I'd call in sick the second I saw this guy coming at me. It welds as if sketching a masterpiece, seamless, clean, and absolutely flawless. No joke, this could be the wildest flower vase you'll ever see. Videos like this remind me of how much potential humans truly have. Inspiring stuff. If you want to see more interesting videos like this one, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us for more wonderful moments.
Fast, precise, and not a millimeter out of place. This is the mark of a true pro.
Check out the changes to this round table. I bet you'll like it too.
Oh, I do a nice even start. Right over, you're going round. Mới cái tuổi 22 bạn thôi à.
His trust in his partner is absolute and unshakable. If flexibility were a sport, this guy would be taking home the gold medal. Hit the mark, split the rock. That's pure skill and total visual bliss. This line is designed to produce self-drilling screws fully automatically. Using this tool, no doubt, it's way quicker. Every key she touches radiates pure elegance. This is true artistry. For cooking enthusiasts, this is the hidden weapon your kitchen has been waiting for. Follow this approach, and you'll have an impressively solid hammer. You can count on this machine to make your kitchen tasks easier. A perfect chopping bone is about to be created. Feel dizzy just from looking down? Then you might want to skip this one.
Thank you for watching. Hope these moments will help you relax after a stressful day at work. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos.